Mohammed Muzda Arsiad. I serve as president of the Aceh Community Center in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. We stand here today not for the political, but for humanitarian. More than a month after devastation, flood, and landslides struck northern Sumatra and Aceh, thousands of the family remain displaced without enough food, clean water, and shelter. These are mother, children, elderly, father, who deserve dignity and protection. Declare national emergency is not a political statement. It is humanitarian necessity. We respectfully call the government of Indonesia to declare national emergency and open access to international humanitarian assistance and ensure transparency and accountability so that this tragedy is not repeated. Our message is simple. Humanity must come first. Delay will cost life. And thank you for standing with Aceh. And thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.